And now he's out there. We'll see how he does. Lights on the car corner pace truck are out as Bill Balmas is going to bring them around. And they're going to pick up speed. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And our 2018 Roadrunner champion is going to try to grab the early lead. Bill Balmas went right to that outside. We'll see if that outside works out better for the Roadrunners. We're going 3 wide again, it looks like, as Jeff Allendorf, Phil Special, and Justin Wagner are going to go 3 wide in the back. But it's Kevin Memely to try to step on the gas and pull away as quick as he can and not have to worry about anything. Bill Balmas holding his own as Phil Special got a little sideways there next to Allendorf. Good driving by Phil Special to hang on to it. So the battle's between Allendorf and Special. Special at front end dips down just a little bit there going into 3. But he straightens it out pretty good. And here comes your fast qualifier, Justin Wagner. Looks like he might try to give Allendorf a little push. Phil Special looks like he lost a little bit of momentum there coming out of turn 2 as he lost traction. And Phil Special and Justin Wagner may have touched there a little bit. Justin Wagner, your fast qualifier, looking to challenge Jeff Allendorf again. Jeff Allendorf, definitely a veteran here at the Rockford Speedway, raced here many, many years. Glad to see him out here with us tonight. Matter of fact, that flagpole challenge that he won is sitting out there in the around the near turn 3 there in the infield. But right now it's Justin Wagner trying to take away that 3rd spot from Jeff Allendorf. The Windsor Pizza Parlor car. Windsor Pizza, the official sponsor of the the official pizza of the Rockford Speedway. White flag out this time by for Kevin Memely. Bill Balmas, hang on to it as that rear end just about came around on him going into 1. About smacked the wall there coming out of 2. So the rear end looks a little loose on that 64 car. Your winner's going to be the 3 of Kevin Memely, followed by Bill Balmas, Justin Wagner, Jeff Allendorf, and Phil Special. Wow. Last year when I started announcing here, fans, I could not for the life of me say Kevin's last name correctly. I struggled like half the year to get it correct. I think I called him Mamoli, and I just, oh, it was terrible. I felt horrible, and I actually had to write down the pronunciation because I just couldn't say it. Anyways, he's in victory lane right now, driving a 1976 Buick Century out of Belvedere, Illinois. KO Fleet Maintenance, Advance Auto Parts, the Elgin, Illinois location. Trump Train 2020. This is your 2018 Roadrunner Track Champion. About there, Rockford Speedway. Make some noise. It's Kevin